Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are going to be doing a hair tutorial. I'm going to show you how I curl my teeny weeny afro with a curl sponge or a foam sponge. If you want to see how I'm going to achieve that, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't, and share these videos with your friends. I'll be right back and we'll get this tutorial started. Thank you. Welcome back. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be using a foam sponge, and as you can see, the one I have has two different sides. So this side has a groove and this other side is flat, but they both have holes on them. Okay, so this one is grooved and the other one is more flat, so you can use both sides. They say this side, the flat side, is better for shorter hair, and then this side is better when your hair is getting longer. I usually use both sides interchangeably. And then you need a hairbrush. I'm just going to be using this. It doubles as a massager for your scalp. This will help to stimulate hair growth, promote blood supply. And then I'm also going to use a gel and cream. This is the flaxseed oil one. It has flaxseed and shea butter, and this will help moisturize my scalp, strengthen the hair, and just really hydrate it. And then I'm also going to use Blue Magic gel activator. This is like a curl activator, and you only need just a little bit of product. And then finally, I'm going to be using a leave-in conditioner. I like the Cream of Nature coconut milk. And so I'm just going to give you a heads up. You want to make sure your hair is not too wet. If it's too wet, it's going to take you longer to curl your hair. And then when your curls are dry, or when your hair is dry, if you touch your curls and they are crunchy, it means you have used too much product. Or if you have build up of flakes, you have used too much product. So you want to make sure you're using only a little bit at a time. So I cut my hair a while back, I think December 1st or thereabouts. So it's really growing long right now. So I felt I have to do this video before it grows too long. So I always like to start with a leave-in conditioner. Don't ever comb your hair dry. Always make sure you saturate it. Like I said, don't put too much. I have a mirror in front of me, so if you see me looking down, that's what I'm looking at. And so when I spray the leave-in, I go in with my massager and just massage that into my hair. The leave-in makes your hair really soft, and this one that has coconut milk is really good. I use it even when I'm braiding my hair or braiding hair for my kids or my clients. So you want to just make sure you work that in and touch it, so it shouldn't be wet to touch at all. So you just need only a little bit. Next, I'm going to go in with the gel and cream, and this is by African Pride Moisture Miracle. It says flaxseed oil and shea butter. So this is like an all-in-one. Helps to define your curl pattern, helps to mold, hold the shape, and hydrates and add shine. But the shine is not like a glossy shine or anything. So I'm just going to go in with maybe about a loony size, or not even up to that. But like I said, you do not need a lot. I don't know if you can see the size I have there on my palm. So we're going to go in with that much. Just rub that together and just make sure you distribute it into the hair. So this is why I like the massager, because that just really gets to your roots, like gets to your scalp. Okay, so whenever I apply products to my hair, I just use this to get it all in. So because I use this, I don't use my comb, but if you don't have that, of course you can comb your hair to distribute it properly. Okay, so now that that is in, I'm going to finish finally with my Blue Magic curl activator. And again, for this one, you only need a little bit. I have a small spatula I usually like to use to take it. Okay, so you just need about that much. So you don't need a lot at all. So like I said, if it dries and it's crunchy, it means you have used too much. And then the more wet your hair is, the longer it's going to take for you to curl it. So we're going to work that into the hair as well. I'll just keep this and wipe my hand a little bit. Okay, wipe that off a little bit, and then I'm going to go in again with the massager and just massage that in. And this is so soothing, it's so relaxing. So overall, this foam curl takes about maybe 5 minutes, depends on how defined you want it to be. I usually don't like mine like super defined. I just want some definition. Okay, so we have that in. So what I usually do when I'm getting ready for work, I do this stage first before I start to apply my cream, my makeup and all that, so that by the time I'm done, it's going to be a little bit dry. So not all the way dry, but it's just going to dry up a little bit. But because I'm just filming this, I'm going to go ahead right away and we're going to start curling. So like I said, I'm going to go with the flat side first. And if your sponge only has like this ridged or grooved ones, you can also use it. Either one works. So you want to just hold it like so. I'm going to hold here and go in a circular motion. You want to ensure you are going in the same direction all through your hair. So don't go like this here and start the other way. So just ensure that you are always going in a circular motion, and this will give you the workout you need for your arms. Okay, we're going to start here. So just go around like so. So usually about 30 seconds it's enough for me. So just keep going, and you can always go back and redo it if you want more definition. And so when I do this the next day, I can refresh it or redo the whole thing. So it's up to you. So you see that? I don't know if you can see that. So it does curl very fast. Okay, so I'm going to just keep doing that and keep going. So I might speed it up Okay, as you can see, it does curl really fast, and overall it doesn't even take you 5 minutes. So like I said, the drier your hair is, the faster it's going to twist. So you see, even mine, I didn't even wait for it to dry. Even with all those products I added, it still twists really nice. And like I said, I usually don't even get it as defined as this, but because of the tutorial, I just wanted to show you, the more you go, the more defined it becomes. And I'm just going to turn around for you to see. So what I like to do is, I always like to go by feel. So I feel the back, and if it feels like it's not defined enough, you just go in there. And usually this will last me for a set. So if I'm working a set of 3 or 4 days in a row, the next day I just put a little bit of Coil Activator and just go in and refresh it a little bit, and that is done in just a few minutes. So that is it, it's done. I usually do not mold my edges or do like gel down my edges for baby hair or anything like that. I just like to leave it natural like that. I feel like it's better that way. So feel free, if you want to mold your edges, go in there and do whatever you want. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. If you would like to see more of this and many more videos, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click on your notification. That way you see new videos I release every single week. Until next time, when I bring another exciting tutorial, have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you.